Thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Veldon, and this is my kitchen, where I make restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Let's get cooking. Okay, today on the chopping block, what we got fish. This is some Alaskan cod, and I'm going to go ahead and be making today is some fish and chip. Okay, that's what you're going to be needing, some cod. I got some baked potatoes, not some baked potatoes, but some cut up potatoes right here. And I'll cut them like this in round oval shape. So, okay, that's how I'm going to do my chips today. Okay, you're going to be needing a cooling rack. That's what I have over here. And I have a pan up under there. I have a cup of flour right here. And I have a cup of flour right here. And I'm going to be making a batter with this flour. I'm going to go ahead and take this flour and put it in a bowl, like so. And I mix together this teaspoon of both baking soda, and I have some starch. So I'm going to put that in there. Okay, let me put that stuff out the way. Okay, here's my flour where I'm going to drench my fish in. Move that to the side. Okay, I have some seasoning right here. This is some white pepper. I'll put that on there. Okay. And I have some Old Bay seasoning. Put some of that in there. So you put much as you want to. I'm putting probably like a half a teaspoon of both of that. Black pepper, I mean not black pepper, but white pepper and Old Bay. So you eyeball it to your taste. Okay, we have some sea salt. I'm going to put some sea salt in that. So I'll probably be putting like a teaspoon of that. Okay. Alright. I'm going to put this to the side. I'm going to go ahead and start incorporating these ingredients together over here. So pretty much what I'm going to be using in this batter, because I wanted to use beer batter, but I decided I ain't going to use beer batter. I'm going to go ahead and go with some club soda right here. Okay, that's what we're going to incorporate in that. All right, we'll put just a little seasoning in there. We don't put much. A little black pepper. A little salt. Okay. Mix that up. And we're going to also put a little baking soda in that. So probably another little teaspoon. And we're going to go with a little starch. Okay. So we're going to incorporate that. Then we'll go with our club soda. Oh, don't do what I just did. Made a mess. Okay, I'm back. Just got to cleaning up that mess. I mean, club soda went all over the place. So we're going to go ahead and start incorporating this club soda again. Hopefully it won't make a mess again on me. So we're going to just eyeball it right now. I'm going to start stirring it in. Of course, it looks like we're going to need some more. So you want it kind of velvety. Yeah. So I would say probably like a cup for the amount of ingredients that I'm using. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, cut this lemon. Put that piece to the side. Pluck out some of these seeds. Squeeze a little lemon juice in there. Okay, not a whole lot, just a little bit. Alright, stir it up a little bit more. We're going to let this sit and chill for about half an hour in the refrigerator. But in the meantime, in between time, I'm going to go ahead and get started on these potatoes. What I'm going to do with these potatoes, I'm going to put these potatoes in the microwave for about about roughly 7 minutes. I'm going to let them get soft and I'm going to drain them and then I'm going to fry them. Okay? I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. And what I did was I dropped the potato in there to see if this grease is going to get hot. Get hot enough for me to drop my fish in. Get in there. So I'm going to go ahead and just transfer those over there because I'm going to be putting my potatoes over there. So what you want to do is have my fish right here, have my flour right here. I'll also season my fish too, so just want to coat it. On each side, like so, all over. Okay. Okay, I have my batter in the fridge. Take your fish, shake off the excess, like so. Put it in your batter. Like so. And take it, get some of the excess off. You just want to go like this. Drop it in. Okay? I'll do another one for you. Turn it. Some of that excess. By the way, I'm using peanut oil. Okay. The reason why I'm doing this without my gloves, so I'm washing my hands. You know I'm doing that without my gloves because the gloves make the batter kind of slippery. So I'm gonna take my potatoes. I'm gonna just go ahead and transfer those over to this other pot and let those be cooking. Try not to overcrowd your pan. I'll try to take half of these and put these over there. Okay. Alright, that should be it. So just flip this one. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. This is my fish and chip Dog way. So please do like, do comment, and also subscribe. Dog's Kitchen, where I make restaurant quality foods or better from my home to yours. Let's get cooking.